Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the upcoming phone from the Realme brand. So which is a Realme Narzo 30 Pro. So very soon the Realme gonna launch the Narzo series starting from the Narzo 30 and the 30 Pro as well. But in this particular video, I'll try to focus only on the 30 Pro. So since a lot of rumors and leaks have got leaked outside about this 30 Pro as well. So that's why I thought of making this kind of video on the specifications and initial impressions and what are the things we can expect in this upcoming Realme Narzo 30 Pro series. So let's get started friends without wasting any time, and in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check the links in description for more details about the latestly reviewed smartphones in my channel, as you can see here. So first thing is that the Realme Narzo 30 Pro will be having the battery of the 4880 mAh of battery. So this is what got leaked. So this is what got confirmed as well, 4880 mAh of battery. So these are really very hard size of the battery capacity. So wherein the previously in the Realme Narzo 20 Pro, we do have the battery capacity of 4500 mAh of battery capacity, as you can see in the previous model, and we are having the screen size of 6.5 inches, and the screen size in the 30 Pro as well we'll be seeing with the same kind of 6.5 inches. So 6.5 inches of screen size and 4880 mAh of battery, and the fast charging is not yet confirmed because the Realme 20 Pro has the 65 watt fast charging. So we are expecting even the same 30 Pro gonna have the 65 watt fast charging. So that is what I'm expecting and guessing around. But overall these are the things got confirmed about the battery and the screen size, and the phone will be having the 5G connection as well. So there will be definitely a 5G connection in these upcoming mobile phones, because nowadays we do see that all the Realme phones, they said they'll release in India with the 5G in the 2021. So hoping that the Realme 30 Pro gonna have the definitely the upcoming 5G services. And next thing I want to talk about the processor. So nowadays we did see the Realme, they are trying to choose a Dimensity processor. So maybe my guess would be the phone Realme 30 Pro may be having the Dimensity 800U or Dimensity 700U. So something gonna happen with the Dimensity around that kind of processor, I'm guessing. So 120 in the previous model we did see about 90 Hz refresh rate. So 90 Hz refresh rate in the previous Realme 20 Pro. So maybe this time we might be able to see the maybe 120 Hz refresh rate. That is another thing we can expect in this upcoming mobile phone. So these are the few specifications about this device friends, and for more details make sure to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. And recently even they did tease as well upcoming Narzo phones, and they asked us to select which type of boxing they need, so what type of design. So this definitely in this maybe in the Feb or in the March they'll try to announce upcoming Realme Narzo series, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those videos. And thank you for watching this video friends, and this is a small update on this phone which I want to give you. And that's it friends, see you in the next video. Until then, bye. And one more last thing is that I forgot to mention about the price of this phone. So maybe the Realme Narzo 30 Pro gonna launch about maybe 15,999 or 16,999. That is what I'm guessing would be there, because right now Realme Narzo 20 Pro is available about 14,999. So we are kind of expecting similar kind of price range around 15,999, something like that. So let's see friends what's gonna happen in this upcoming series. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.